What's up mga pre? And welcome to DIY Food. And for this episode, we'll be making Bicol Express. So I'm making a version that is very spicy. So it's up to you kung susundin nyo. So we'll just need a couple slices of pork belly. We also need gata or kakumel, some bagoong, shrimp paste, garlic and onion, and lots and lots of chilies. So you can adjust the spiciness based on your liking. So to start, we'll just need to slice our pork. So ganito, thin slices lang, small slices, bite-sized pieces. And then we'll just set this aside. Next, we'll just prepare our onions. So you will use your usual cutting method. So this is how you cut an onion. And you dice it. So you just do it for the whole onion, and then next we'll prepare our garlic. So we'll just need 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Babalatan lang natin and i-mince natin. After that, isi-set aside natin ito. Now we're ready to go in our burner. So in a medium non-stick pan, I'll just add some oil, and then I will saute my pork belly and season it with salt and pepper. So we'll just saute this to the point that it will have some browning in it to maximize the flavor. So like so, pwede na yan. Then after that, I will set this aside and I will saute my onion and my garlic. And also I forgot to show this, but we will also need some ginger. Next, we will now add our pork back and then we'll saute this. After that, we will add our bagoong. So I'm using spicy bagoong. So as you can see, all of my ingredients are spicy. So this will be a hell of a Bicol Express ingredient. And then I will add my red chili peppers. So like I said, do this at your own risk. I'm also adding my green peppers. So this is a very spicy rendition of the Bicol Express. As you can see, it has a very different color. Then I will add na my cocoa milk or gata. So I will just simmer this in low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Yan, until ma-reduce yung um, sauce niya or yung sabaw niya. And makikita nyo, magiging ganyan yung color niya. That's a combination of the browning of the meat and the chilies. So we'll just put it in a bowl, like so, like that. And then make sure everything is incorporated in the plate. And especially the juices and the sauce is in there. Yep, this is gonna be very spicy. So, hindi pa enough yun. I'm just also adding my green pepper as a garnish and as well as my red chili peppers. So like that. So that's your Bicol Express from hell. Then again, this is DIY Food. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.